Oh my.
Hey,
Hi.
forget it.
Why?
I'm not even going to get out of the alley.
I did not plow it.
They haven't plowed yet, no. There's no way. We're just going to get stuck until they plow.
Oh.
You just call them, tell them we're plowed in, and you'll get there as soon as we can. But it's going to be, we can't do nothing. It's too deep.
It's too deep there?
Yeah, too deep
Oh my
there.
goodness, look at that.
Yeah, so. Yeah, well, come take a look.
Look at that.
Yeah. Well, I'd say this is a good 12 inches.
It's 12 inches.
That's a lot of snow.
Look at our other car.
Okay. You can probably.
Oh, I
Get
did
to-
not wear my. Oh, dang! They did not plow it.
No, we just get stuck.
Oh,
If they plow, we got a chance to get out.
do you think they're gonna plow it before 8?
No idea. I'm kind of surprised they haven't at least done a pass.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so baby, just go back inside, give them a call.
Alright.
There's no way you can get to work until they plow.
Uh-oh. There was a snowstorm yesterday. Oh. And our car was stuck there. I'm ready to work, but they have not plowed yet. Kaya, ang snow ay mataas pa sa pangarap ko. Dahil ang pangarap ko ay ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Okay, yun na yun. Yun na yung joke ko. It's super terrible storm. Oh. Look at the roads. So I don't know. I don't want to be late and I don't want to take absent. But if the bus see that car driving in the snow. Look at that. Oh my. Yesterday going home, we're driving like 8-10 miles per hour because of the snow. And now look at this. Yeah, my pants. On the positive side, look at that. It's so pretty. It's beautiful. It's so white. See that fence? It's more than half of the fence was covered with snow. Let's do this. Dun, 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 dun. That's how thick the snow is. Yeah. There's an estimate that it's about 12 to 14 inches thick of snow. Pero, mas mabuti na rin to sa baha. Kasi malinis ang snow, di ba? Di ba? Yeah, I'm just trying to be positive. So, at least ang snow malinis. Ang baha, med. Derms. Hello. This is what like when you're living in Minnesota. Can you see that? Those were vans. And it's, you see that? I'm walking in the snow. Spinning wheels. That is why my husband doesn't want me to go to work, or doesn't want me to drive. My husband doesn't want me to drive to work. So I will try to take a bus if there's a bus. If there's no bus, I don't know. I should check that's the bus stop. Wow, I'm in the middle of the snow. It's the snowman family. Baby 1, baby 2, baby 3, mother, father, the snowman family. Hello, nanay. Pagaling ka. Merry Christmas all over the world.